So this is the Hiland outdoor heater lamp, and I'm gonna show you how to ignite this device. You push on the igniter, you hear the if you don't hear that, inside here right behind this there's a AA battery. You just unscrew this, pull the battery out, put a new one in. If you don't hear that, that means the battery is dead. So if you look here on top, yeah, and what you do when you get the flame going, you just kind of turn this back a little bit, and while the flame is still on, you let go of that. That's how you keep the pilot light going. So from here, get it in focus. Here we go. And from here you can just turn. Yeah, and voila, we got flame. You can turn up a little higher. So there you go. Hope that helps. Have fun.